Now another quick recipe for stew. This is not chicken stew. First of all, you won't go market, go buy chicken. When you don't cook the chicken, I bet before you start to cook, wash and wear season and wear. If you like, no use Maggi. If you like, no use salt. Momo and you come and you use Maggi. Maggi means stock seasoning. Wise up. Once you don't cook and finish, drain out the oil. The oil is very good. It's low in calorie density. It's good for vitamin K, vitamin salty. Go eat and go read that. And not be Google. Go read it. Go and read it today. Then you want blend all those pepper where you see for ground, the spring onions, the pepper, I be Yoruba girl, the short pepper, onions, and bell peppers. I go show now another thing when I'm going to because I know blend tomatoes. Then you gonna put the oil inside pan. The oil where I come up for that in about half a cup. I can pour it inside the pot. I can put puree tomatoes. I can add ginger and garlic where I don't melt, I don't freeze. Not be me melt, not be me freezer, but I freezer because I buy like that anyway. I can put bay leaf, I can put curry, I can put thyme as well. If you know understand what I talk because I talk fast or my mind they move too fast, if you ask question, I go answer you. Then you miss. You want make it fry well. No let her black let her just fry. Then you can pour the pepper mix where we don't blend. You know, see now bell peppers, rodo, onions and spring onions we blend together. You can pour it inside. You don't need to add tomatoes where you they blend because now puree we use for the tea. The reason why they make her fry for so that I go feel reduce that sour taste. Then you can put stock seasoning. If you like no put stock seasoning, now your problem be that they complain for that. You can put salt, your Lord, Cocoa association of Cocoa our merciless group at your one snatcher. You put her for inside, you can put chicken. This chicken I call griller. You see I fair, you don't need to the fry this all the time. You call the pray to God for flat tummy. You going to take left flat tummy where business also fry you they eat all the time. Remember calories too much of fun. I know they make it they get flat tummy. Anyway, I call missa. It call look nice. I call boil rice for my children to take chop the chicken stew. As the rice done, nowadays the rice not they look white anymore. Now brown rice is supposed to call they don't the white anymore. I can put vegetable and grill plantain. Those plantain I grill. I go show on a video. I take the grill plantain for inside oven. I can put the stew to accompany the O. Complement the OT, CIFA. Thank you so much for always tuning in. If you get question, ask question. I beg, don't like the cost people. They use common sense, they talk. God bless you.